Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, and I have more freebies. So, the Botanical Collage and Cluster Mega Pack series that we've been playing with for the last couple of months is fantastic. It already had 2 releases for freebies. The first one, I believe, was 6 pages. The second one was 5 pages, and now I have another 5 pages to give to you, and so that's a total of 16 so far. I've just got the new 5 ones here, 5 pages that I'll show you. So you might be looking at this and saying, hey, I already got that. And you did, however, it was in a way lighter shade. And after releasing it, I thought to myself, ooh, I'd like one that's darker and a little bit more grungy. And I had shared with you on video that I was going to give you one of those. And so this is just keeping with my promise. So this is a much darker shade for this cool page. And then this is the background, which I added a little bit of script and stuff. So super cool for journaling on or backing or what have you as a journal page. Same pattern, but in the blue. This was part of the blue freebie. So here it is in blue. Really muted blue. Yeah, so it's not too bright. Okay, the next 2 pages I'm super excited about, and I can't decide which one I like more, honestly. There's this page here, which if you've been following along with the botanical series, you know that we had one in greens and browns. This one's kind of a, not quite a jet black. It's more between a brown and a black. But so those were sort of the first kits. And then we released a yellow kit, a red kit, and now just a blue kit. So these work seamlessly across the entire series, which is super cool and really awesome to have those big numbers, especially for collaging and such. And of course they're here right down to tiny in size. And then we have this super cool ruler, and it is, what is it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 inches long, and they're true sizing. So yeah, there's that page. And then there is this page. Oh my goodness. These hinges are awesome. And if you can just imagine here I have one of the pages from the first kit. And if I fold it right there, because it sort of really lends well to a trifold. And then just picture using these hinges on your spines. Yeah. Or even on a journal card that folds up, and lots of possibilities. And then, so there's those hinges in a couple of sizes. And then these are super cool. These are like screws, which are awesome, right down to small or tiny. So this is 1.5 inches, 1 inch, and 1/2 inch. And so we have these really cool metal floral, and then, yeah, these ones that look like a screw. And so you could even, let me just bring back, oh, wait, never mind. It's right here in front of me. These hinges, would it be too small? Yeah, I think these would still be too big to put in there to make them look like screws. Yeah, it wouldn't quite work. But anyways, super cool to use these to look like you're putting things, screwing things together and holding things in place in your journals. So yeah, that's the newest 5-page freebie. You can find all of the freebies on my Ko-fi page, and the link to that is down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the design team, because they are pumping out tons of videos using the freebies and the Mega Pack series in all kinds of ways, ephemeras, journals, all kinds of things. So super cool. You can find all of the links to that below as well. And thanks for watching, and have fun playing. Bye.